Hey guys, so welcome back to our day 2 of 365 days challenge. So in this we are having our next problem with us, which we will solve today. So this problem is very simple. So what we need to do is we need to print the following text, that is hello space 40, and in the next line we need to print 50 space world space exclamation mark. To read out the problem, you can pause this video, okay? And yeah, so this is pretty much we need to do. So as usual, what we will do in the next line, we have to write what should be our result. So so what we need to print is hello space 40, and in the next line we need to print 50 space world space exclamation mark. So we have wrote this. Let's write our approach before we actually start coding the problem. So what we will do, we will just print this hello space 40 in the first line, and after this we will print 50 space world and space exclamation mark in second line. Okay, now let's try to write code for this. Okay, so what we will do, we will copy this, I will paste it here, I will comment this out so it will give you a better idea. So let's follow the first step, that is print hello space 40, and in the next line what we need to do, print 50 space world space exclamation mark. Okay, so we will say print. Okay, let's go to next line, print this thing. Okay, now let's try to run and see whether we are getting the expected result or not. So see, we are getting the expected result, which is hello space 40, and in the next line 50 space world. Now what is the problem here? That is, we are using two print statements here. Okay, but we can do it in one print statement as well, right? So for that we will again write our approach 2. That is, we will say first we will print hello 40 with new line character, and in the second line we will print world. Okay, so instead 50 world with exclamation mark. Okay, so this will be our approach. So let's try to code this. This is very simple if you have gone through my previous video. So it's print, and then we will write hello space 40. Okay, now what we have wrote, we write new line character. So let's add the new line character. It will be /n. Now in the next line what we need to print, we need to print 50 space world space exclamation mark. So let's write it here. Now let's try to run and see whether we are getting the expected results or not. So see, we are getting the same results as above. Okay, so let's sum up what we did. So we had this problem where we need to print hello space 40, and in the next line 50 space world space exclamation mark. We write a first approach, we write two print statement to achieve this task, and we successfully did that. Then in our second approach, we again, instead of two print statement, we use a new line character to achieve the same task, and we successfully achieved that. So this is all for this video. So let's meet in day 3. Okay, bye bye.